Hello people, do you know how easy it is to make a bodycon dress? Okay, let's make one together. Ready? Go. So, fold your paper into two. Now, measure the highest length. For example, this gown is a length of 45, so measure it so that you know where it gets to, so as not to waste your fabric. Then, in vertical direction, start by marking all your points. The first one is the bust point. My bust point is 9.5. Mark your under bust point and ensure that you mark every details on both sides. Then mark your half length. Mark your half length on both sides. Once you are done with that, mark your hip point. Mark it on both sides. And once you are done with this, take your ruler and join them together on a straight line to ensure that they are both equal. Once you are done doing that, now label them from the bust point, under bust point, the waist point, then the hip point. Now to start with the horizontal, taking your body rounds, you divide them by 4 because we have the front and the back side. So for the front side, which is what we are doing, we folded the paper into 2, so that makes it divided by 4. So once that is done, start taking your measurement. Now that we can take the measurement, you had 1 inch, which is for the sewing allowance, so add 1 inch to every point. So once you are done with this, mark all the round, your under, the waist point and the hips. And once this is done, you are closer. Look at the length ahead where it is marked. That's my length of 45, and I added 2 inch plus the joining allowance, which makes it 47. After this, join all your points together. If you don't have all the equipment, if you don't have all the tools, it's fine. Just use your marker to curve it. You can imagine the way a human body looks. So after that, go to your shoulder, measure your shoulder length. Now measure your armhole and you just join the armhole together. And once you are done with this, the next thing is your neckline. For your neckline, if you notice, our shoulder is not all straight. It is like 0.5 inches slant. So pick 0.5 inches. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Also the neckline, measure the neckline, join it together, curve it, and your dress is almost ready. Just picture the way a dress looks like on the body, and with that, it will be very, very easy for you to get it with this pattern. And once you are done with that, the armhole, we are not yet done because the armhole is always curvy. So measure 1.5 inch above and just use your pen or your marker to curve it. So now the question is, where can you start the curve? So the curve starts from half of your armhole measurements, which mine is 4, so you can start your curve from there. And right now, believe me, the design is close to ready. Depending on the neck you want, choose a neck. And I once said it in one of my previous videos that to get a round knee or whatever you want your dress to be, just minus 1 inch from your hip if you don't want it to be all tight, and there it's easier to join it together. And this is what we have. So depending on what you want, if you want it to be very, very tight, take another 1 inch from your knee, so that makes it 2 inch from your hip. And with this, just do your cutting and your pattern is ready. You can use it for many of your curtains. So this one, keep it somewhere very safe in the house, and anytime you need it, just pick it. Just look at it. You can have as many bodycons you want. Whenever you get the fabric, just place your pattern and cut it out. That is it. Our pattern is ready. Place your pattern on your fabric and cut it out. Now to the sleeve. If you want a detailed cutting or explanation on sleeve, feel free to DM, feel free to drop a comment. I'm willing to explain because I want you to understand sleeve. So and that was how we got here. So would you be trying this? Make many bodycons for yourself because it's very easy and it saves a lot. Very, very easy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I want to know if you truly love this. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you on my next video.